You probably clicked on this video because you want to find movie clips for edits but don't know where to get them. You are in the right place. In this video I will show you easy ways to find movie clips for editing without any issues. These clips are going to be great for edits, short videos, and creative projects. Also, for example, everything is shown step by step so anyone can follow along. Watch till the end so you don't miss any important steps. Let's get started. First, make sure you open Google Chrome and search for this website, and make sure you open this exact one. It's gonna take you here. There are many options where you can choose from. Once you find the clip that you're looking for, make sure you click on it, then click on this icon that's gonna be under the clip that you want to download. Then click on these three dots that are going to be on the side, then click on download. This is how you can download this clip to your computer. This website is going to be for short clips, but I'm gonna show you another website that's gonna be for longer clips, which is this one. Make sure you search for it on Chrome, then click here. You're gonna find many options to choose to find the exact one that you're looking for here. Once you find the one that you want to download, click on it, then scroll down. You're gonna find a button here that says download clip, then click here. This is how you can download clips on Chrome